Mother. Mother. Sucker.
Game 2, or the last game of the day, but game 2 for me. Oh, look at Marcelo. My voice is gone from the Mexico game this morning, but we won, and it's lit.
Don't fall too far from the apple tree. Yeah.
You saved a spot for one of us. You want it or?
It's up to you. I can drive.
Rock, paper, scissors. Because we gotta find parking then on the street. Scissors. Alright, ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Yeah.
Sit.
Hi. Sit. Sit. Good boy.
Funds are in the bank account.
Daniel.
And cheers to Daniel.
Hello. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. So I just got back from the gym. Today was a really tough one because yesterday I went out with my cousin, my brother Carlos, and one of my brother's friends, Fabian. We went out because my cousin graduated from his technical school. He got certified to be a techie something engineer type thing. So that was a really cool, fun time. But today I'm gonna go out again. Woo, look at me. Me and Carlos are gonna go meet up with my coworkers and have some Korean barbecue. Get that protein in. That's what I'm up to. Besides work and going to the gym, this week is kind of fun. Cooking?
Hey, look how she's looking at you like, nah, bro.
Hello, good morning. I just got to work. I got this health aid kombucha to, I don't know, cleanse myself. Today's mine and Carlos's anniversary. We're gonna go get some food, and I want to go get like some dessert out there because in that area there's like a bunch of dessert places. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Oh no, it's right here. No, that was the smooth. No, that was the smoothie shop. Damn. Something else was here. It wasn't Pokemore. It was something else. But I never get this.
Pokemore?
Yeah.
I mean Pokey?
No, it's Pokemore.
No, it's Pokey.
Poke.
E.
How do you spell poke?
P-O-K-E? Do you know
That's
how to spell Pokey?
P-O-K-E.
Yeah.
Poke and more.
How do you spell Pokey?
P-O-K-I-E.
No, it's P-O-K-E.
Oh, I don't know. I thought it was I-E.
Happy anniversary.
Cutting limbs over here.
Good food. Now good boba.
Hey, the food was really good.
Food was bomb. You guys should definitely go if you're ever in the Artesia area.
What's it called?
Belly bombs. Bombs. Babe, can you open my store for me? It's broken. Happy Saturday. Viva Mexico. Viva Mexico. 2-0. Come on, baby. Say Viva Mexico. We won. We won. Viva Mexico. Hello, everyone. We did a Ross haul. Just kidding. We bought kids' clothes for my cousin because we're going to his birthday party today. Emiliano, but look at this highlight.
This is a little weird.
I don't like the bottom.
I know.
Where are we at, babe?
Finger shop.
We're at Lens. Blends Costa Mesa.
Rodrigo Bangers?
Like off-white stuff here. Hey, are you famous?
Yeah.
Birthday boy! Birthday boy!
Caesar, do you know what? We have the advantage.
You gotta go pee?
You know
Okay,
what?
let's go pee.
Yes, harder! Harder! Yes! Again!
You suck!
I'm recording now. I thought it was your job. Are these my candies? Are these
Hey guys, we left the party because we were getting headaches because we're like too old for loud music now.
It's because of Tia.
Freaking weird. We're going to Outlets of Orange because he didn't get me my gift at the lab at Blends, so we're gonna go to Paxson. I think they have them at Paxson.
I hope so.
I hope so. We're tired.